Hey you guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulumi, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys this very colorful, I wouldn't say colorful because I have only used two colors. So yeah, this very vibrant look where I have used blue and yellow. So and I have decked it up with some glitters, some rhinestone and whatnot. So this is the theme of today's look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. And if you want to know how I achieved this particular base makeup look, then it's live on my Instagram. My Insta handle is @Poulumi_Mimi, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup routine and many other more eye makeup tutorial and base makeup tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. It will absolutely mean a world to me. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, then please subscribe to my channel. Now without any more further ado, let's dive into the video. So now as you can see that I have totally done my base makeup, and I will quickly go ahead and start on with my eye makeup. And to start on with my eye makeup, the very first product that I'm going to go and use is going to be my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one, and it is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain. It is basically the lighted shade, and I am going to put it onto my eyelids, and I'm just going to buff it out, or blend it out. Like I'm just going to push it into my skin so that I get the maximum pigmentation from this particular concealer. So now at this point I'm just going to set it up slightly with some loose powder, which is basically this one, and it is in the shade White. It is by K Beauty, the K Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder, which is basically this one. And currently I am like a big fan of this particular powder. I love this one. I love using this one. I'm just slightly setting my eyelids. So right now what I am going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and grab my very first palette, which is basically this one. It is the Blue Moon palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. I love using this particular palette. The entire range is so good, and they make some amazing good quality eyeshadow products, because eyeshadow products are the only thing that I have used by far. I haven't used a lot of their products, and that's my bad, but I'm definitely going to start using a lot of their products. I'm definitely going to buy them. So the very first color that I'm going to take from this particular palette is going to be like this particular shadow over here, which is basically this one. This is Clubbed In. This is a very dark blue shade, and taking this beautiful color from this particular palette, I'm just going to start putting it on my eyelids. So now at this point what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another color from this particular palette, and from this particular palette right now I'm going to take this particular color over here called Starry Eyed, and taking this particular color over here I am going to put that color and start diffusing this dark brown shade a little bit so that it looks very nice and blended and diffused out. So now at this point when I'm done using those two blue shades, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my concealer and cut my crease. And to do that I'm again using my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 0.5 Porcelain, and taking this particular concealer over here, I'm just going to clean up this area and cut my crease. So now at this point when I'm done with that cut crease and cleaning up of that area, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take on my next palette, which is basically from Colourpop Cosmetics, and it is Oh Honey palette, which is basically this one. It is their yellow variant, and from this particular palette, look at the beautiful shades this palette has. Oh my god, they're stunning, So from this particular palette, first I'm going to take on this beautiful color over here, which is called Sweet Spot, and which is basically this one. So I'm going to take on this color, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take that color. So yeah, I'm first going to take this one and then that one, and then I'm just going to start putting it onto like this area of my eyes. So I will be using these matte shades. If you want, you can obviously use metallic shades, that will also look great. So but today I felt like using some matte shades and not metallic shades. So I'm just going to go with these shades, but I personally feel that you can definitely switch these shades with some metallic goldeny shades and things like that. It's makeup, you can do whatever you feel like. It's all about playing and experimenting and feeling good. So now at this point I'm just going to go ahead towards another color, which is going to be from my same palette, the one which I showed just a few minutes back. And I don't think that color is going to, this stringer color is going to look good. I am just not liking it at this point. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this color over here, which is called Oh Behave. So I'm just going to take this color onto a flat synthetic brush, which is basically this one, as you can see. So I chose that one. Previously I was thinking of choosing this one, but I don't think it's going to look good, and I just applied it a little bit, and I don't think it's showing off that much. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this particular pretty color over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it onto like this area of my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done using that yellow shades, that two yellow shades, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistance, which is basically this one. This is basically a blue eyeliner. So I'm just going to take this one. You can take any blue liner you have, but today I'm taking this one because this is the only blue liner I have. So taking this particular one over here, I'm just going to draw a nice and thick and dramatic winged liner on my eyes. So now at this point, when I'm done doing this winged liner sort of a thingy, what I'm going to do is I'm kind of seeing that that this particular area of my eyes is looking a bit empty. So I'm just going to go ahead and decorate it up a little bit more, and to do that I'm going to use some rhinestone. So at this point, as you can see, that I went behind the camera and I have put on some rhinestone, some blue rhinestone onto like this area of my eyes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to curl my lashes and coat my lashes with some mascara. And for my mascara today, I'm going to use my Roller Lash Mascara, which is basically this one. It is by Benefit. So I just love using this one. It gives me such good length. So I'm just going to use this one on my lashes. So basically what happened just now is I was filming and my battery just ran off. So I put on my battery to charge, and by the time it was charging, I just went behind the camera and I completed this particular eye. So I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye. So now at this point, when I'm done with putting on the mascara, I'm going to go and put on some falsies. And for my falsies today, I'm using my PAC M85 lashes, which are basically this one. So I'm just going to put on the falsies and I will be right back. So now I'm just done with putting on my falsies. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics Build Your Own palette. It's basically a glitter palette, pressed glitter palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to use this particular two shades, which are basically this one and that one. So I'm just going to use two glitter shades and I'm just going to put it under my eyes so that it looks like this, So now at this point, when I'm done putting that glitter shade and I have got some fallout, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean those fallouts from this area of my face, and I'm just going to be like, So So now at this point, as you can see that I'm totally done with the entire look, and I'm done putting on those pressed glitters under my eyes onto like this portion of my eyes. So this is how it is looking right now. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this very creative and colorful look. And on my lips today I'm wearing my Smashbox Always On Liquid Matte lipstick, which is basically this one. It is in the shade Audition. So yeah, I'm wearing this on my lips, and this is how the color is looking on my skin tone or face, whatever you want to call it. So this is it for today's look. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.